In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gmail account with IP address. To keep the setup clean and avoid saved cookies or old sign-in sessions, start by opening an incognito or private browsing window in your web browser. This helps make sure you are creating the account fresh, especially if you have signed into Google accounts on this device before. Once the incognito window is open, go to gmail.com. On the Gmail page, look for the Create Account option. Click it, then choose the option that says For My Personal Use. This makes sure you are creating a standard personal Gmail account, not a business or managed account. Next, you will fill in your basic profile details. Enter your first name and last name, then provide your birthday and select your gender. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate, since some of these details can be used for account recovery and verification later. After that, you will be asked to choose a username. This will become your new Gmail address, so pick something unique and easy to remember. If the username you want is already taken, Gmail will suggest alternatives. You can also adjust it by adding letters or numbers until you find one that is available. Then create a strong password. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything that is easy to guess. For security, do not reuse a password from another account. Make sure you can store it safely, because you will need it every time you sign in. Next, you will enter a phone number to receive a mandatory 6-digit verification code. This step helps Google confirm that you are a real person and adds an extra layer of security to your account. After you submit the phone number, wait for the text message to arrive. When you receive the SMS, type the verification code into the field exactly as it appears, then continue. Finally, you can add a recovery email address. This is optional, but it is a good security step because it can help you regain access if you ever forget your password or lose access to your phone. Once that is entered, you are done with the setup steps shown here. That covers everything you need to know.